Hey guys, and welcome to today's video. In today's video I'm going to explain how to adjust pixelated images in Word if you have problems after exporting them to a PDF. So here, for example, I have Word open and I just imported a high-resolution image. And in the first step I quickly show you the problem that occurs as soon as you try to export it. So here in this window you can see that the output resolution of the file is not the best. You can see that the image is quite pixelated and not really full of details. And now I'm going to show you how to solve this problem. First, you have to go to Word Preferences, go next to Edit, and then go down until you see the point Image Size and Quality. Here you have two options. First, you have to click the box where it says Do not compress image in files. This helps in displaying the image in its correct propositions. And the second option is that the default resolution has to be set from the lowest or the current set resolution to the highest possible resolution. So usually a computer doesn't have a problem with displaying high resolution images, so I highly recommend you to choose high fidelity or 330 ppi if your computer doesn't offer high fidelity. And before you close, there is one last thing. Here in this box you can choose whether you want to apply these changes to all new documents or just for the current document. I highly advise you to choose all new documents, so your preferences are saved for the next edits. You might set the box again and increase the default resolution if Word resets it. As soon as these boxes are correct, let's close the preferences and hop back to our open file. So, and now here for the end, I have both files open. On the left you can see the default configuration from Word, where images are compressed and exported with a low DPI resolution, and on the right hand side the same document with the same image but with different preferences. So on the right side you have compression turned off and high fidelity mode on. So I hope this tip was helpful, and now you should know how to change image preferences in Word documents for everyday documents at work or for school, so your images won't look pixelated and ugly. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.